Hi guys, today I'm going to show you and explain how I caught this move to the upside, targeting these higher time frame highs, but went even more higher than that. Okay, so I'm going to show you how. Okay, so in a hourly time frame, NQ we swept out these consolidation hourly lows, but in ES we didn't. All right, in ES we just didn't bullish SMT to the upside. Okay, it was pre-market open. As you can see, this is 9 and we didn't bullish SMT. So this is really good long opportunity for Nasdaq, and I'm gonna go down into 5 minute. Okay, 5 minute. Okay, so in a 5 minute time frame at the 9:30, which is New York Stock Exchange open, we just pumped to the upside after sweeping these lows. I was expecting more deeper retracement into this 4 hour bullish fair value gap and then in this hourly equilibrium. Okay, equilibrium is like premium and discount area which you can buy or sell. And 15 minute 9:30 opening, we just pushed to the upside. We made, okay, this box is 15 minute fair value gap, and then we just pushed to the upside. Okay, yeah, after we swept out these current high of days, we didn't bearish SMT here. Okay, ES made a lower high, and in NQ we made a higher high, which is a bearish sign. Okay, so why I didn't take shorts off of this? Because higher time frames were bullish, and if we're gonna push lower, 5 minute should have and must have closed below, which is breakup structure to the downside, and we didn't. Okay, we just swept this low and 15 minute bullish fair value gap and then pushed higher. And then second most important thing that caused me to enter is this invalidation of this bearish fair value gap. Okay, we closed above this bearish fair value gap, so I just simply just entered off of this close and stop loss below it, which is targeting the ultimate higher time frame highs. Okay, and this was a 1 to 1.5, which is great for me, not the other people's. And then second trade that I took was, this was actually a silver bullet between 10 to 11, which is ICT London close silver bullet hour. We disrespected this bearish fair value gap to the upside and made a bullish fair value gap back. Okay, so I wanted to refine it even more, and in a 1 minute time frame, I waited for 1 minute engulfing candle to happen. Maybe breakup structure to the upside. Like after that, we did it. Okay, and so the entry should have been just at the 5 minute fair value gap, and then stop loss below the first fair value gap formation's low. Okay, and targeting just simply 1 to 2. But at that time I didn't saw that this silver bullet coming. I was too focused on the lower time frames. Okay, so I actually take my profit at 1 to 0.6 risk to reward. Why? Okay, we didn't sweep these highs, and we generated equal highs, and then we did bearish SMT. Okay, the higher high in NQ and lower high, as you can see, lower high in ES, which is a bearish SMT. But it was potentially 1 to 10, potential 1 to 10 risk to reward trade. I potentially could have taken this trade, but there was a psychological part that caused me to take my profit too early, which is kind of, kind of sad. But so why I get got out of the market because bearish SMT liquidity generation. I thought we just generated this liquidity and then we would drop. Why? Because in ES, we have these equal lows which can be targeted. These are the hourly lows which is can be magnet, and plus there's a higher time frame equilibrium that needs to be filled. Okay, so I just completely ignored ES 500 and I look for NQ, and NQ was really great move. Okay, first trade, potential held, and silver bullet, just entry on the fair value gap, stop loss below the first candle's low, and then targeting 1 to 2. Yeah, it was really good trade, but I got out of the market. So guys, it was the psychological obstacle that caused me to got out of the market too early. So don't be that guy. You know, price just retest this 5 minute fair value gap, just a little bit of drawdown and then pushed higher. My stop loss was below the 5 minute fair value gap, which is kind of tight, but it was actually good. It ended up being good, okay? And the first entry was good. Just entry on the close of the candle that disrespected bearish fair value gap, which is a bullish sign after sweeping this low. Okay, and then if I hold 1 to 10, okay, so I just simply just should have trusted my analysis and wait for it to just profit and run and maybe break even after 1 to 2 trade. Okay, so trust your analysis and don't be greedy. But I was, yeah, that's it, guys. That's it. See you guys soon.